Hey friends, it's Tracy. Welcome to today's video. Yesterday I was out and about and decided to stop at Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, just to see if they had anything new. And yes, they did, guys. If you like the gnomes, Dollar Tree does not disappoint this year. Look at these cute little gnomes that the Dollar Tree has this year. Anyway, I'm going to share a little bit of a shop with me, kind of showing you what my local Dollar Tree had. Now, I'm in Texas, and I know the frustration is that not all Dollar Trees are the same, but it's good to kind of know what's out there and be looking for some things to come. Anyway, so let's go ahead and shop with me at Dollar Tree, and then stay to the end because I'm going to show you the cute things that I got. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, when I first walked into the store, this was on the end cap, and I went, oh my goodness, they have some cute gnomes. If you are a gnome lover or a gnome collector, you are going to be so happy with what the Dollar Tree has for you and us this year. So they have these cute yard stakes as well as ornaments and small, like just gift little ornaments that you can put on your tree or on a gift. They also have some ornaments that are like picks, as well as bigger ornaments that are actually like that have a hanger on them. And so they have these ornament shaped gnomes this year. Some of the gnomes have skis where it looks like they're skiing, and it's so cute. They have brought back a lot of our favorites with these wooden items, as well as with the words, the gingerbread house, as well as the gingerbread snowman. I didn't see any Santas, but this is my local Dollar Tree, so I'm not surprised. So probably some of those empty spaces had those Santas. Anyway, so they have brought back the snowman, the snowflake, the star, and the ornament. They also have the boxes that we have known and we love so much. They also have these clear ornaments, as well as different, like the small wooden ornaments that you can paint up and, do little craft items with. This was a surprise to me. They do have the candy cane wire forms, but they're much smaller than the ones that they've had in previous years. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about that, but of course I bought some that I'm going to make some candy canes with. And so then, they just have all of the different mesh, and then this is just the ribbon that my Dollar Tree had the time that I was there filming this. And, so you can see they brought back a lot of the same things that they've had in previous years that we've grown to love. And then they also have brought some new things for us this year as well. Aren't those things so cute? Oh my goodness. Anyway, Dollar Tree does not disappoint. When I walked in and saw the end cap filled with the gnomes, I was so excited. So I took out my camera, of course. I'm like, oh my goodness, I have got to share this with my community. Anyway, so what I did get is a couple of these. And the ones that I saw, they had the red and black buffalo check cap, and then I found the black and white buffalo check. And so I know that this is September of 2021, but you know what? You got to get it when you see it. Otherwise, it's going to be gone, unfortunately. Anyway, so then they have these signs. They're like the ornaments, you know, that have the little silver on the top. And this one says, Merry Christmas from our gnome to yours. So this is just sharing that gnomes are still in. So I got this one. And then this, I found this green one. It says, Gnome for the holidays, with a cute little candy canes. And so those are the two styles that I saw at my Dollar Tree. And then they had all kind of gnome ornaments. Here's one of them. Just, you know, just so cute. And then I saw this one, kind of looks just a little different. Has maybe, this is more with the gray and the red, and then this one is the this is a little bit deeper red and the gray. And then they had a lot of like picks. Is that what they're calling these? It just says Decor. Anyway, so I picked up a couple of these that look a little different. Just the caps are a little different. And then this one, I don't know if they meant to have the two separate colors, or, you know, if that was their intention, or if this one ended up that way. But this is just so cute. Just little gnome picks that they have at the Dollar Tree for this season. And then they had these little 4 to a package little ornaments. These are so cute to like put on a package, or, you know, just for little different decor kind of things. And then other things that I did see, or that I did get rather, are some candy cane frames. Now these are smaller than the other candy cane frames that they had in previous years. And so I'm trying to you know, well, you saw in the shop with me, you saw them hanging, but these are smaller than the other candy canes. So I don't know. I haven't used one yet, but we're going to see if I like that. And then I also got some, these are like my favorite fall flower at the Dollar Tree. I know I'm really weird, but it's just called a filler bouquet, and that's really what it is. I just like these little cute flowers. They look just so cute to me. Anyway, and then I did pick up some, just some maple leaves of some of the kind that I liked. And so, you know, as I was gathering these, I was like, man, their bushes have gotten very skimpy. Okay, guys? And so, yeah, they have. I'm sorry. Dollar Tree, if you're watching, you've gotten very skimpy on your bushes. Okay, and I'm going to, these are what the bush is for $1, okay? Now I'm going to compare. This is what I got from Walmart for $3.47. This is Walmart. This is Dollar Tree, so $3.47. So just say, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to put 4. This is $4. This is 4 Dollar Tree bushes, and I'm only sharing this because I whatever, you either like or love Walmart, whatever. But I mean, if you're looking for a budget, or if you're crafting on a budget, this is a better quality, and also a better you know, bang for your buck, because it's so full. And this is $3.47 versus this is $4, which I know that I'm holding them a little bit different, but I'm just saying, $3.47, $4 from the Dollar Tree. So sometimes Dollar Tree is not just the best. Anyway, and then I did get some more styrofoam because I have to do a floral thing for my nephew's headstone for his grave. About 3 years ago, I lost my 15-year-old nephew in a car accident. And so every year, his mom, my sister-in-law, asked me to make an arrangement for his grave site. And so I needed to get some more styrofoam so I could get that done. And I do that for all of the seasons. And so it's just a special way that I can give back to him anyway. But I know he's shining down from above and he is just happy and he is completely free. Anyway, so a couple of other things that I did get from the Dollar Tree is, you know, it was in one of my videos. I had asked, or maybe it was my Halloween, when I had shared one of my witch hats. Now, this is one that I had on hand, and I was asking if anyone had seen these at the Dollar Tree. Of all the Dollar Trees that I've been to just this season, over the past month, I have not seen any of these witch hat frames. So I was asking if they've discontinued them. I don't see them on the website. And anyway, some friends have responded and said that yes, they have seen them in their stores. So I don't know. Hopefully Dollar Tree is not discontinuing these. Anyway, but this, I don't know if they're new or they're just new to me this year, but I found this. And so that's what I was thinking, that maybe, because I like to decorate the witch hat frames, you know, like either take the tinsel off or cover it with burlap or different cute ribbon, and then, you know, put mesh and stuff down here. A lot of crafters are doing that. And so it would be just a shame if Dollar Tree would not carry those, but they have these. And so I was wondering, could you do something with that? So maybe I'll try to, you know, get some inspiration to use this instead, since I can't find any of the witch hat frames. Anyway, so then I picked up another one of these, and I do like these for to create my little primitive country snowman. I redid it. I didn't paint it up as a pumpkin. I actually did it on the back and made it a cute snowman. And of course, I will link to a picture and link to the video if you would like to see that. So anyway, these are when you need to get them for other seasons so that you can use them for Christmas and winter. All right, I think that is all from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to share a few things that I got from Walmart, which are those leaves. And then I also picked up these maple leaves, which was also $3.47. So, which I think is a better bargain compared to, you know, with the Dollar Tree and the quantity. And then I found this sign. I promised myself I wasn't going to buy any more signs because I have so many, but this one is so cute. Look at this. It looks so cute on a wreath. And this one was $4.84 at Walmart. And I just love little pumpkins. And of course, the buffalo check, or the check, is what drew me in because that is my heart. And then I got a couple of these. This right here, it just says welcome. It's a circle. It was $3.98, and you could use it as a stand, but of course I'm not going to do that. I'm going to incorporate it into a wreath because, you know, that's kind of how my mind works. And then this one right here just says home sweet home, and this one was $3.98. So these were at Walmart, and then these were at Walmart, and then all of the other ones came from the Dollar Tree. All right. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed just this little sneak peek Christmas gnome shopping, because that's kind of what this really consisted of. Anyway, we will talk to you all very soon. God bless. Have a great day, everyone.